Hi everybody, my name is Kelly and today is May 3rd and I received my single swag. Now, for March, I received two of the exact same box, and I contacted the company and then they sent me April's box. Now it is the very beginning of May. I'm hoping this is not a repeat of the April box because that would be very, very strange. So again, I have been thinking of renaming my channel to What's Under the Blanket. Not What's Under My Blanket. I know somebody might think it's a little risque or, you know, it might sound a little nasty, but the reason why is because I have to put these boxes underneath a blanket over here, if I can get off of there, because I have her and she loves to eat cardboard. So I have to make sure she doesn't get into the cardboard. So I have now been putting my stuff under a blanket. And I think it's a great channel name. I did not come up with it. One of the viewers did. So I'm really considering changing it. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. So here's the product guide. And let's see, it says single swag. I'm trying to see if it says what month this is for. Doesn't it usually say, or am I just missing it because I don't have my glasses on? I don't see it. Maybe it's a different box that usually says it. But anyway, I don't see where it says that. So let's go ahead and pick out the first thing. I have not even looked in here. You just saw me open it. So I'm going to need my glasses, I think, so I can read to you what the items are. Unless they're all repeat items, then we all know what they are. Okay, this does not look familiar. So this is a Ivy Olivia Journey Refillable Travel Kit. I do go on vacation about twice a year with my husband and kids, of course. So this might come in handy. Let's see what it comes with. It comes with this little, looks like a spray bottle. And as I'm opening stuff, I have to put it in a bucket over here next to me because of Brooklyn. And then this will be nice. A little squeezy bottle for, I don't know, shampoo, conditioner. I'll read and see what this is exactly for. It might say, but yeah, I don't think it really matters. But I think that gets some use. Another one. And yet another one. And then I've got a little pump bottle. That's kind of cool. And then I've got some little things here. What is all this? Okay. I think these are little attachments maybe to some of those bottles. I'm not really sure. Something to like pour the stuff in the bottle, you know, one of those. I guess it goes like that. And looks like a mini Spatty Daddy, if you know what those are. You know, you get out your stuff without using your fingers, or you know those Spatty Daddies, they were featured on Shark Tank. I saw the episode years ago, and it was, you know, it's a long, skinny tool where you can reach the very bottom of your, you know, skincare products or shampoos or conditioners, and it's pretty cool. But anyway, I was just reminded me of this. But, and then this little jar here, moisturizer or something, I guess. So that is what came in this bag. The Journey Refillable Travel. So let's see how much this costs, or what they say this costs. Okay, I'm looking. They're saying that's $25. If you saw my last single swag box opening, I checked on the websites of the products themselves, which was really odd because they didn't have websites. So I had to just do a Google search for the items, and I found everything, I think, except the jewelry pieces. And I did put either a very similar item or something on the screen with the actual price. And yeah, there was a big discrepancy in some of these prices. So anyway, let me go ahead and move on. But that travel kit's cute. I can live with that. Okay, what else is under my blanket? This is Gem 3 right here. Let's see what this is. It is a necklace with stars, and is that the moon on the bottom? Yep, stars and then the moon on the bottom. I've seen a lot of their jewelry is gold. Does this look like rose gold, or is it just the lighting in here? I can't really tell. But a lot of the jewelry that they give out is gold, and I'm more of a silver person, but I think that's pretty. So let's see what they're saying that is. It's called the Mila Zodiac Charm. Oh, they said that's a charm bracelet. Okay. $56 for a charm bracelet. And it does say it's adjustable, so that's good. All right. So let's move on. What else is under my blanket? Let's see. Brooklyn, what do we get? What do we get? Ooh, a spongel. Well, most of us know what spongels are. You know, you get them wet and they're infused with body wash already in them. And this one smells very good. I like more fruity scents. This does not smell too fruity, but it's apple blossom. So it does smell pretty good. It smells a little floral, but it does smell pretty good. So let's see what they're saying the spongel is, or spongelli, whatever way you want to say it, because it does have the little thing above the eye there. Forgot what they call that. Of course I did. Sorry about that. Okay, so they're saying the spongel is $22, which I know sounds unbelievable, but I'm willing to bet that that's about the right price. I will check online again, and I'll put the prices of what I found up here somewhere. And then we got our snack, which is a Baker's Brothers Mom's Favorite Strawberry Donut. Yes, please. I love donuts. It's one of my weaknesses. Oh my gosh. Yeah, too bad I had breakfast already. Otherwise, I'd be opening this up right now. And their snack is they usually say it's about $4. So this snack, yeah, $4. Okay. I don't think I'd pay $4 for just one, but this is really working under my blanket because Brooklyn literally is right here.
Yeah.
And she just cannot get to the what's under my blanket. So Pierre liquid eyeliner. So I'll show you. I mean, I'm not going to open it. I do not use liquid liners. Ooh, that's pretty. The way that it's packaged like this. But I do not use liquid liners. I don't. I'd make a mess. My hand's just not steady enough. At least with a pencil or something, you know, I don't make such a mess. Let's put it that way. But they're saying that eyeliner cost, the liquid eyeliner by Pierre Cosmetics, $26. I'm going to be checking these prices and putting them, again, just like I did for my last video, my last single swag video. I'm going to be putting the prices that I find on the screen here. All right, so that was the liquid liner. What else did I get? This is Skin Pristine, So Susan. Okay, I subscribe to So Susan. It's a beauty box and costs, I think, about $15. I paid $107 for 6 months of So Susan Cosmetics. I get a box, comes with a palette every month, but I don't think I'm going to continue that subscription. I do like the products, I really do, but I find I just don't use them as much as, I don't know what exactly I'm trying to say. I just am not that impressed with it. But I, you know, So Susan, that's what brought that up anyway. I do subscribe to the box. I don't think I've gotten this product yet. So let's see. So Susan Skin Pristine Cream. It's a cleanser. And they're saying this is $46. This tube here is $46. Full size, right? Let me make sure. $46. They always send full size products, so yeah, it's a lot of money. I'll check. I'm not doubting it though. I'm not doubting it, but I will definitely check for you guys, see if it's really $46. Is there anything else in here? Oh yes, I feel something else. Oh, I love getting socks. I'm so addicted to socks. Okay, well, you know, my addictions go way beyond makeup. But yes, a little pair of socks. And they are a very pretty color. I bet you these are way overpriced. Let's see what they say for the socks. They are Ryan Crew socks. It says Sweet Feet Ryan Crew socks. $21. $21. I don't know. They're cute. I'm going to see if they are in fact $21 on their website. Of course, I'm going to look at each of the businesses' websites. I'm not just going to do Google searches. I'm going to see if each one of these companies have websites, first of all, and then find out what they are charging for their particular products. If I can't find a website on the products, I do have to just do a Google search and kind of find comparable items. Last time I did this, I found like the identical items for almost everything, I think. Everything, actually, I think. So I think that was all that was under my blanket. So yeah, that was my single swag box. So things, my favorite items in this box will have to be the cleanser. I love getting cleansers. The Spongel, even though the scent isn't exactly what I really like, but it's a good product. The jewelry piece wasn't that bad, really. I mean, I really am unsure. I mean, it's a bracelet. Now that I know it's a little bracelet, I might go ahead and just try it on, see if it fits, and see, you know, I don't know if I'm going to end up doing a giveaway or not, but stay tuned to my videos. I do have one hidden giveaway in one of my videos as we speak today. As of today, I have one. I have a video that will be coming up with some more hidden giveaways. So keep looking for those, please. Thank you very much, everyone. Please leave a comment down below if you can. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you very much. Bye. Brooklyn wants to say bye too, I guess. She's up here on my lap. Bye, everyone.